Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Ps5 has the latest system update and your streaming app is current. Plug an Ethernet cable if possible. Wired reduces packet loss and latency. If you must use Wi-Fi, move closer to the router and switch to 5 GHz. Once done, close all other apps and downloads so the console can dedicate CPU and network resources to the stream. This first setup prevents many common hiccups and gets you ready for deeper adjustments. Now you tweak the streaming parameters. Open the Ps5 broadcast settings and set a conservative bitrate that matches your measured upload speed. Aim for about 60–75% of available upload bandwidth. Choose resolution and frame rate that your network and CPU can sustain, for example 720p at 30 fps for weaker links, or 1080p at 60 fps if stable. Then reduce encoder complexity or enable variable bitrate. Finish by running a short private stream and watch for dropped frames or bitrate throttling. This confirms settings under real load. If problems persist, restart the router and the Ps5 to clear transient state, then retest. Make sure to enable Router Co-S to prioritize your console, and if drops continue, run a speed test and contact your ISP. There may be line issues. If nothing else works, reduce stream quality one step. This trade-off often restores stability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.